part of being in clinical IT is that sometimes you're gonna have to be on site to help with go live, you know, situations where we had a whole nother system deploy, and sometimes we had to be on site working random shifts to help the users, you know, transition and learn while we're here. Usually 1 or 2 weeks, you know. The schedule is different, you know. Sometimes it's like, sometimes the schedule can be like 8-hour shifts, 10-hour shifts, or 12-hour shifts, you know. So that's one thing about clinical IT. With those, if you're doing consulting, some of those are some of the bigger, the best paying, you know, contract positions, or, you know, so yeah. So I am here trying to get through this hospital. I always get lost, but we gonna make it. I know where I'm going halfway for this one, but yeah. So I'm here trying to make it through. It's gonna be, I'll get off at 11 p.m. today, and then there's somebody that comes in to relieve my crew at 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. So yeah, I'm doing second shift. So yeah, but they're usually pretty fun. You know, you meet new people, you get to walk around the hospital, get some steps in, you know, all that good stuff. But it's a Friday here, so not a lot of people in the hospital, as you can see. Not too much going on, but yeah. So this is East Tower. Okay, I'm going the right way. See, so I'm going the right way. But this is in Miami, Florida, you know, where I am based. So not too bad for me. It's helpful to, you know the area you're in. But it is one thing, you know, you have to think about when you are looking into clinical IT, that you will be required sometimes to work at go live events. Go live events are actually pretty fun though, I ain't gonna lie. I meet a lot of people. You know, you get to meet a lot of people throughout the hospital. You get to learn, you know. A lot of times you don't know the system like that. You don't know what part they are going live with. So you kind of throw into the fire, and you have to figure it out and learn as you go, you know. That's what I did with this, you know. I had to train myself on these tools, these icons, so I can tell other people, you know, what they mean when I'm not, you know, sitting there talking to them, so I won't look crazy. But you know, you gotta, if you're a fast learner, you know, you'll get it. You know, it's nothing to be scared of. You know, just the basics. But sometimes it is a little hectic, but it is what it is. You know, comes along with the territory, comes along with the job. It is fun to me because I like people, so I like being around people and seeing new things, seeing new people, seeing new environments, that type of thing. Because I was traveling, doing this type of thing prior to being based here in Miami. But yeah, so I like to travel the country. I was having fun traveling the country doing this, meeting new people. That's the only thing that kind of sucked. You met new people, and then you you were there for like 3 months, getting to know people, creating relationships, building trust, and then you're switched to another project, you know, 3-4 months in, and then you got to go somewhere else, start all over from the ground up, you know, create relationships with people, gain their trust, you know, then you learn their software, their workflows, and then you on to the next. That's the thing about the travel and consultant piece, but it's fun, it's lucrative, you know. The pay is great, the travel stipends are bomb, you know. You get the hotels, you know, you get the hotels, like the residence inns, you know, so with the kitchens and all that stuff, everything's paid for, and you get a stipend to eat on, you know, stuff like that. So if you save, it's bomb, you know. I thoroughly enjoyed traveling, but now I can't travel as much, or basically at all, because I have small babies now. So I have a 3-year-old and a 1-year-old. So who's gonna watch them while I travel? On site isn't all bad, you know. I am in the PICU lounge. I just came to the PICU area to help out. I have a lounge for the families. You know. The TV's on here. I have a lounge for the families, you know. PICU is the area where the kids are in a critical condition, so Yeah, they you know, they stay here overnight in the rooms and out here in the lounge, you know, visit the babies, you know, stuff like that. So